What's going on, everybody? You're watching GTSam. I'm Sam, and you have an AC issue? Might be able to help you out. Now, this isn't the end all the be all for every single car, but it's kind of a tip, and they give you a direction for where you might have to go to troubleshoot what might be going on with your AC on your car. Now, we all remember the Acura MDX that I bought, right? Well, it was all going pretty good, some issues here and there, but then remember how the fan belt snapped and just went all over the place? Yeah. Well, when that happened, it caused a lot more catastrophe than what I really expected. Now, I went in the car one day and decided to turn on the AC. Hot outside, why wouldn't I? It didn't work anymore. How bizarre was that? So I started to think, what was the correlation between the two? There had to be something that got hit or knocked out of the way or something like that. Like it didn't come on, it didn't click on, you didn't hear it, and I tried to even jump it at the terminal with the fuse block, but we still got nothing. Now, this led me to believe that I need to go ahead and try to troubleshoot just a little bit more. Now, as you can see here from this picture here, this is kind of suspicious right here, right? Now, what's that wiring hanging right on top of the compressor right there? Well, if I run my hand up there, I can't really tell fully, but obviously it's a wire that was plugged in recently. And as I got my phone up there more, took more pictures, this was a cable that was yanked out from somewhere. And why was it yanked out? Because the serpentine belt snapped and hit that and whacked it and yanked it right out. Now, as we can see from this picture here, it went ahead and ripped it out completely, and if you try to plug it back in, then it will not hold and will not stay and plug it correctly. So what's one to do? One is to go ahead, take out your whole compressor, and then put in a whole new one, right? Well, you could. That's a lot of time and a lot of money. But what you could also do is repair it. Now, I had a shop go ahead, and since they have expertise in this kind of area, to just be able to get into there and rewire things and work things better out than I did and had the resources at the time, I went ahead and had a shop do it real quick. I'd explain to them, hey, they have this cable right here, and it needs to be plugged into what I believe is the AC compressor. And so they looked at it, they verified it, and yes, they confirmed it, and they went ahead and repaired the wire and seated it back in place, and guess what? AC started to work again. Thank goodness, because that could have been a massively costly issue. But otherwise, it cost me, I think, about like $30, $40 to get the shop to go ahead and repair that plug. That was an amazing deal right there. So I want to make sure that if you guys are going hunting down AC issues, it has some kind of catastrophe like mine happened, you might want to check there first, or any other kind of damages along the way. So guys, that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this short, quick video, make sure you give it a thumbs up right there. Make sure you subscribe down below for video content quite like this. And like this shirt, not too bad, right? That's also got some great stuff right on the back here too. But these are coming out very soon for everyone to be able to look at and purchase. So if you really want one, you'll be able to have the details very soon on how to do so. That's a pretty cool shirt. You got the cool sayings right on it there too. Then you also have the QR code right on the shoulder there for people to be able to scan and go right to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comment section below. Love to read them, help you out with anything that's going on that pertains to this or something close to the AC too. But guys, that is it for today. Thank you again so much for watching. This is GTSam. I'm gonna catch you next time. These shoulders